Alright, so here is a very low budget YouTube video. Sorry guys, I don't have the time to make this really nice, and I also don't really know how to. So to show you guys the slicer modifiers, I'm gonna go click on this little tab right here, go to cylinder, and then a cylinder pops up. I just have to orientate it magically like that, position it, and you don't need to position it like this well. I'm just trying to make it look good for no reason. So what this does is it's just gonna modify what you want in this box only, so the rest will not be affected. So it's only a modifier, so you can modify it to do several things, but right now what we're going to do is modify the infill. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to put it at 50%. So the rest is going to stay at 20, and that's going to be at 50%. So if I slice, you can see that it is at 50% only in the area that we had a support or a slicer modifier in there. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. See ya.